all these experts. I went to this training 2 weeks ago. Okay, so I'm just going to preface it with that. Got to go to this training. Laura Lee, Vicki, Coach Sparks, Coach Nolan, and I went because this is going to be implemented into PE this year. Students right now, with state standards, they go to PE once a week, but Morrilton Intermediate has increased our recess time to 30 minutes, and we're going to be implementing this into recess, which as a principal is really exciting because that's where the chaos is, you know? So that's some exciting stuff too. So am I in a bad place? Can you hear me? Is it all good? So just a little research about Spark. So, why did Champions for Health bring the Spark curriculum to us? Spark was identified as perhaps the most comprehensively evaluated curriculum in physical education. That's according to the March 2014 Strategies article in Health-Related Fitness Models. Another one, Spark was identified by the Center for Disease Control as a national model for programs designed to increase physical activity and combat childhood obesity. And yet another one, an Institute of Medicine report titled Educating the Student Body cites Spark as a proven solution for increasing the quantity and quality of physical education. And it goes on and on and on about how great this program is. So, okay, I will start with volunteers before I volunteer. There you go. August, you're number one. Make your mom come too. Okay, that's two. I need like 4 more.
Oh, Tiffany Brown, did you say?
Tiffany! Oh, Kettle! Tiffany Brown? Yeah. Oh, and Katie. Yes, there we go. Well, if I knew it was y'all, I had this really, I'm going to be nice. Y'all just don't understand what I actually had chosen. But I'm going to be nice. Okay. So all of these activities, we have a huge binder, and all of these activities they're of course tied to the state physical education standards, but they also have literacy tied to them. They have math tied to them. They're even differentiated. Like I'm going to start them off pretty easy, and then we'll see how good they are, and we'll go from there. They could have been mean to us. I'm just saying. At that training, I may be mean. Okay, so where are your cute shoes? So, okay, I need y'all to get in a circle. Okay, now spread out a little bit. Y'all help me here though. Spread out a little bit. Okay, so this one is going to tie to throwing and catching. Okay, that's the standard, and it's also cooperation. Okay, so what you're going to do, I'm going to start. We're going to go around. You have to pass it to someone not beside you and someone that hasn't had it. Does that make sense? Okay, and just keep going. Oh, I'm sorry. They'll go back to they'll start all over. Yeah, start all over. So keep the same pattern. Does that help? Okay, so keep the same pattern going. No, you don't have to get faster. Okay, I better get rid of that. Yep, you got to now you got 2. So, no, okay. I didn't explain very well. Here. Same pattern. Yep, okay. I'm not a PE teacher either. Okay, ready? Find another one. If they were really good at this, then you could add in, like, I could say, like, touch your nose, and they don't have to touch their nose before they throw it. Or for other students, when they get really good at this, they could go down to their knees and back up while still throwing it around. So there are some other things you can do to make this even more exciting, if you can imagine. Okay, y'all. Okay. Listen. They did good. Okay, we have one more. Don't go anywhere. This one is one they recommend for outside. So, Hold on. I wasn't prepared. Okay, so everybody find a little thingy to stand on. Oh, this may be kind of far apart to begin with. I could find a stand on. Okay, so this one they recommended for a recess activity. And you can dig through there, and there are things for the kids to do individually, pairs. I tried to find something with groups because I knew I was going to torture some people. But you can find huge class size things to do as well. So here's what you're going to do. We didn't do this one, so this one's new. So Katie, when you say go, you're going to try to get to a corner. They have to go to a different corner. Does that make sense? I didn't do a very good job explaining this. So did that make sense?
I get it.
So when she says go, you're like going to try to steal August's corner while somebody else has to try to get there at the same time. Well, you got to go to a different corner. Okay? So it's up to you on say go. No, whoever doesn't end up on a corner ends up in the middle. Basically, you want to try to stay out of the middle. So you've got to move to like August's corner or Sarah's corner. Yes, everybody has to move. Oh, y'all do have heels on. Okay. Okay, up to you. Whenever you're ready. So you're in the middle.
Okay.
Now, well, because you didn't get a corner.
You don't know where she's going, so we don't know where you're going. Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay, you got this. You got this. Yeah, it's all now.
So some different variations to this. Some different variations to this. You can spread them out, obviously, so they have to run farther, if you're in a playground setting. If you're, when you're going through the Spark curriculum, there's basketball and frisbee. You can have them dribbling a basketball as they go around this. So there's several different things you can do with this as well. So anyway, you want to go one more time? Yeah. Okay. Anyway, that's the Spark curriculum. So anyway.